In this video, we are going to see that if we want to send emails to a lot of recipients on a lot of emails in Microsoft Outlook, here's how you can do it. Let's say that you have an extensive list on Excel, and let's say that it is about any promotional email about your product and so on. And these are all the emails that you want to send it to. It's almost 60,000. So let's just take a sample of a small chunk. Let's just take a couple of emails as an example. Click on copy. And here, if you notice, this is just simply written. This is not separated by a semicolon sign. Now, when it comes to Outlook, in the previous versions, it didn't support semicolon and you have to manually insert it next to each email in Excel. But in the newer versions like I'm using right now, just click on the new email and let's see the sample of it. Let me just paste the emails. Right now, it seems like it doesn't pick it up correctly, but as soon as you select something else or you just press a tab, you will see for yourself that it is automatically separated each email with a semicolon. So that's not a problem. But let's say that due to some reason, your Outlook is not picking up correctly. Let's insert a new column. And after inserting the column, let's use a simple formula equals to this cell. And this is a concatenate function that whenever you want to add something next to it, you just add an and we want to mention just the semicolon at the end of it. So that is considered as a text. Whatever is it, the text, just use an inverted commas, colon sign, semicolon sign, and inverted commas close. That means we want to use this email address as it is, but on the next of it, on the end of it, we want to mention a semicolon with it. Hit enter and we have this right here. Just double click to send it down and we have this for every single email. Now let's try this. If we just discard this email, close it, no, and we just open a new one, click paste, and we have this semicolon next to each one of them. So that's how you can do it. But in this case, we don't really need it because it will pick it up automatically correctly. So that's how basically you can send your email to multiple recipients in Outlook. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.